Yo, what's up folks, this is Happy. So first of all, I want to say drive safe, ride safe and stay safe. Stay home how much you can. So this video I have made last year. I fixed my trailer, so it took me probably 1 week to finish that job. It was quite hard for me to do that at home, but I really enjoyed. So this is the video. If you guys learned something, leave a comment. If any question, leave a comment. So enjoy, stay safe, have fun.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I got a up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Yeah.
Let's go.
Nanish. Nigga. Hey, let's do it.
Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you tear yourself apart to entertain like me?
Yeah,
People whisper about you on the train like me. I just shouldn't waste your pretty face
Look,
like me.
I've been living with the demons that I got on my soul. I've been thinking about the pain that I got on my mind. My conscience on his ears from the things that I did. I've been praying for forgiveness in the way that I live. You can find me in the zone, I swear to God I is. Ain't nobody breathing currently the words like this. I'm a different type of nigga, never worry about the funds. I was focused on progression, bitch, you gotta get it done. I said to try to bring it in, but then again, nobody wants a nigga. Pressure was mine and I had to find a way around it. I ran a couple of miles, couldn't find myself. Don't get fucked up, cause it always helps. I'ma drown in my sorrows all by myself. On a quiet night, if I'm staring at the wall with the sound of thought, I feel like I've been never flow my nigga. Tell me what you really know, my nigga. I'm a saying like a motherfucker, trying to find a way to one ticket. They take plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real, even though I'm riddled with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I cry for help, but nobody responded. My emotions gone, yeah, they all have been loaned. My self-esteem left in my confidence wanna. Got all of this pain that I did with alone. Loud,
$100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? The people whisper about you on the train like me? Saying I just shouldn't waste your face like me.
never kidding myself for a dream. I don't even believe it. It's really in the game when you giving your all. I put my soul up on the table. All they do is analyze it. I'm a secret side, and I never talk about it. When you want to rap, it's not my mind. I made a mess. I'm on the way. not be exposed. I'm only giving reality. I'm a lyrical legend. My complimentary honesty is a rarity. Yes, you feed the fallacy to him, but I'm not really impressed. Cause I can read between the lines and the secret lies. Are you insane like me? Been the pain like me? Do you take yourself apart to entertain like me? Wanna change like me, but you can't like me. Terrified that your misery gon' remain like me. Loud, nice, nigga.
$100 bottle of champagne like me.
Loud.
Pour that motherfucker down the drain like me. Would you use your water bill to try to stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Do the people whisper about you on the train like me? Saying that you shouldn't waste your pretty face like me.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it. We make it. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you.
pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Staying to the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you, for a moment even hope that I could feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you, for a moment even hope that I could feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. The voice is getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Staying to the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your